Hello, this is Edwin, Chef Eddie. Today we're gonna make cube steak with white rice. I already started on the rice. I took 2 cups of rice with 2 cups of water, rinsed it, etc. And you can see I already started. I'm sorry, I didn't start from the beginning because I was so excited. I said, you know what, let me go ahead and show people how I make my cube steak with white rice. Okay, I add a little bit of oil, any kind of oil, and a little bit of salt to that until the water starts drying. I got it on number 5. Over here we have the cube steak. There's 2 pieces. I put onions, peppers, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of water, and I put it on low for number 3. So that's the 2 slices of cube steak, and like I said, you put it on number 3, and then you wait until it's done. And I'm sorry to start from the beginning. I wasn't gonna make the video, but I said, you know what? Let me share it because it's simple. People gonna like it, and they'll enjoy it. Cube steak is in Spanish they call it bistek. Some people make it in cebollada with lots of onions, which I like, but today I'm using green onions. I really like the regular sliced cartwheels of onions. Throw them in there and it's amazing, but not today. Pues hoy estamos haciendo bistec con vegetales y arroz blanco, como le enseñé. El arroz es 2 tazas con 2 vasos de agua. Ya lo había empezado, pero perdonen, no lo empecé de principio porque no iba a hacer el video, pero dije, ¿sabes qué? Lo voy a hacer porque es fácil la receta, tan sencilla. Y ya vi el bistec en 2 pedazos, porque esto nada más para mí y para mi hijo, con pimiento, con cebolla, picado en pedacitos, un poquito de ajo, orégano, si tiene sazón, echarle un sobrecito de sazón, y lo sazone a su gusto. Entonces el arroz lo ponemos en el número 5 en la estufa hasta que se vaya secando el agua. Entonces se lo bajamos al número 1 y después lo dejamos tapado. Ahora lo dejamos destapar para que se vaya secando la agua. El bistec está en el número 3 para ahora. Se va a mantener el número 3 por algunos 35 minutos. Y como en 20 minutos lo voy a virar para que se cocine de los 2 lados bastante bien. Okay, after 15 minutes, I am going to flip over the beefsteak so that both sides get cooked properly, and then it should be done. And I'm going to show you as soon as the final product is done. Don't forget, please, suscríbase, puchelen el like y puchelen el botón de la campanita, así cuando haga un nuevo video, ustedes lo puedan ver. Ok, muy bien, vamos a ver cómo quedó esto. Pasaron 15 minutos, pues ahora voy a virar. 15 minutes have passed. I'm going to go ahead and flip over the steak, both pieces. There we go. Put that onion back in there. All right. Okay. Cover it up. Lo tapamos. Todavía le falta un poquito al arroz. Still waiting a little bit on the rice. We want the water to dry out, and after it dries out, I will cover it, and then I will lower it to number 1 on the stove. Right now it's at number 3. Okay. Let it dry up, and we'll show you the next step. Okay, the rice is starting to dry up. The water, as you can see. I mixed it up like this. All right, now I'll put the top on, and I'll bring this all the way to low. That's the safe mode. So that's going to be being done with no problem because it's on a safe mode. And the cube steak is coming along very good. With the veggies coming along really good. You're going to really like this recipe. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the rice. As you can see, the rice is already done. I stirred it up. I still remember the lowest level. Okay, so that's done. We're going to go ahead and leave it like that. Still on very low, on the lowest temperature. And the cube steak, they're almost ready. They're a little more. They're still a little tough. So I still got them for 10 more minutes on there. Boy, that's going to be good. 10 more minutes. All right. Here it goes. All done. Bistek and cebollado. I put some avocado with it. Oh, yeah. Now I am going to enjoy. God bless you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Espero que les guste esta receta. Como ven, le eché también un pedacito de aguacate. Le eché roditas de cebolla siempre. Pimiento y cebollita también verde. Y esto quedó para chuparse de los dedos. Bueno, hasta la próxima, familia. Dios los bendiga. Suscríbase, dale like y pon la campanita. Así la próxima receta lo recibe automáticamente. Dios los bendiga y manténgase con mucho cuidado. Cuídense del virus, manténganse en casa. Traten de no salir si no hay que salir. Solo para emergencia. Dios te cuide.